ThirdEye AI has provided an automation software that uses AI, computer vision, IoT, condition-based maintenance to digitally trace every process in a CNG cylinder manufacturing factory. With a vision to make FJM a smart factory, our software records serial numbers and track process parameters for end-to-end traceability of CNG cylinders from raw material entry to finished goods dispatch. The CNG cylinders are installed in the cars. Tube-shaped pipes are stored and enter the manufacturing line. The data captured from sensors is recorded in the software. In the cutting stage, parameters like pipe length, diameter, piper color, cylinder count, and many more are tracked. And barcode is scanned on each cylinder, which goes to the software for tracking of each cylinder. The result of cutting stage is displayed on the screen. Induction heating is the next stage where the pipe is heated slowly. The pyrometer temperature and heating time is measured, that is taken from the sensor. And accordingly, the system marks the cylinder quality as OK or NG. The next stage is bottom spinning, where bottom of the cylinder is formed and key parameters are measured in the software. Bottom milling is done with cylinder bottom milling machine with roller conveyor, and parameters are tracked in the software. The next stage is induction heating, to where pyrometer temperature and heating time is recorded to ensure quality of the cylinder. The neck of the cylinder is formed after the bottom is made in the next stage, that is neck spinning stage, and many parameters forming temperature, oxygen pressure, etc. are measured and recorded in the software. The system displays the result as OK or NG automatically without any human intervention. Neck of the cylinder is cut in the neck cutting stage, and neck drilling takes place. The barcode on the cylinder is scanned and moved to the next stage. In this furnace, hardening, quenching, and tempering operations are carried out. The temperature is monitored, controlled, and recorded by SCADA and process parameter traceability system installed on machine. After hardening, furnace cylinder goes for deep quenching and then transferred to tempering furnace. Each cylinder goes through a 100% inspection of hardness testing at the automatic hardness testing machine. Here, polishing and indentation is done automatically, and its value is measured by the system, and the result is recorded as OK or NG. The serial number is punched for tracking in the next stage, and BIS number is mapped. PESO approved cylinder goes for missile assembly process. Operator selects the model number and accordingly, cylinder goes for OCR inspection. If regulatory and ISI marking, serial number mapping is found NG, the cylinder goes back to the red bin area. And if the same founds OK, green light on machine panel glows. Cylinder moves to endoscopy testing stage. In the endoscopy stage, high-resolution camera enters the cylinder and captures the image of bottom milled area to compare with sample reference images in the system. It inspects the bottom of the cylinder, and if it's found cleaned, it marks the result as OK. OK cylinder from the machine vision inspection endoscopy station loads on the valve assembly station. The barcode of the valve is scanned and mapped with the serial number of the cylinder for further traceability. And the valve is tightened by a DC nut runner and its desired torque is maintained by the system. In the nitrogen leak testing stage, 260 bar nitrogen gas is filled into the cylinder. After it reaches 260 bar pressure, a buzzer raises an alarm to the operator to start testing. The operator does the leak test and the result is captured into the system. 2 hours holding poke yoke is installed. If the operator tries to scan before 2 hours, an error reflects. After 2 hours, re-leak testing is done followed by degassing. Frame assembly is done on the fixture with the help of DC nut runner and its degree and torque value is recorded in the system. The inspector checks the complete assembly and marks as OK or NG. At pre-dispatch inspection stage, the traceability system ensures the presence of sticker, its orientation, and marking of torque inspection, and if all finds OK, then system generates final barcode. After scanning of the same, invoice gets generated for sale. And the cylinders get dispatched.